What's up everybody, it's Andy here again from CryptoCompare.com and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're actually going to cover days 2 and 3 of the cryptocurrency trading challenge that we're doing, which is the $100 to Lambo challenge on the new Beaxy exchange. Now I chose to do days 2 and 3 together, obviously because it's the weekend and the Saturday and Sunday. Whilst crypto trading should be 24/7, this exchange is still quite new. There's not much volume on it, and there was like little to no volume on a Saturday as well. And also I am a family man, so I do need to spend some time with the wife and kids as well. But yeah, so I'll talk through the trades that we did and where we're at now. So what I actually did, if we remember from day 1, the £100 or 100 Great British Pounds here worked out $115, something like that. I was able to buy 1,800 Beaxy tokens. I bought them at the top at day 1 of the trading. If you go back and have a look at the day 1 video, the market, it was dumped. You can see the manipulation on this exchange where it's still quite new. You just have to go with it. You have to either stay out of trading or you need to sell and then buy back. So sell when it's dropping and buy back low, which is what I did. I managed to, on the end of the day 1, it was about, I think it was just shy of 9% down, so about $9 down on the challenge. When I looked at day 2, there was just no wiggle room in BTC, and the Beaxy to BTC trade volume on Saturday was atrocious. There was not much trading there. Whilst there was the odd 1.5%, obviously the trading fees have started kicking in now, and because the market could have gone anywhere, if we just, this is just the USD chart, but if we have a quick look, you can see it's down 12% today. There's obviously when we started the challenge, we bought in here at 556, I think. Obviously we dropped down, sold at 505. Bought back in at 489, sold at around about the 503, which kind of got us roughly back on track. And what I actually did, I could see that the market was going to go down again. So what I did, it was quite a bit of arbitrage trade, and we'll touch on that in other videos. But basically, we sold for USD, okay, because the USD value was higher than the BTC pairing. We then bought Bitcoin with US dollar, which I had to wait quite a while for, and then I basically bought more Beaxy with the BTC. So you can see here, if we go to, you can see that we'll jump there in a minute. We'll go to the USD, and I'll just talk you through the trade real quickly. So you can see at 10:30 this morning here in the UK, we ended up with 825 tokens, so we ended up with a bit more than what we started with, and I sold them all. I sold 825 at 5 cents, 1,000 at a bit over 5 cents. Easy math, sold it all at 5 cents. You can see it's at 0.048 at the moment. So yeah, that gave us roughly about $91, which is the 9% down, which is where we would with the $100 challenge basically. And what I did then is I took that USD, I come over to here, and I waited very patiently. You can see I cancelled a couple of orders, and then I had to buy in slightly higher here. But the order filled. That was at 5:45, so obviously 6-7 hours later it filled, and we basically filled and caught a drop about here. We caught one of these drops. You see it's going down a bit now. And then once I had this much Bitcoin, what we did is we went over to the Beaxy BTC pairing, and I bought in. So if we zoom out, this is the 15-minute. So today there hasn't been much. Obviously you can see these drops and drops. You see these large volumes here, just the coin being dumped. I was hoping that we shook out the last of these dumpers. If we go to the daily, you can see it's dropping back down, and the MACD starting to cross. I thought we'd hit a bottom here at 418. You can see here that there is some support at 406 or 406 Satoshis and 400 Satoshis as well. but there was a really big support, what I thought, at the 470 mark, and that broke and then dropped right down as well. And you can see obviously these are now resistant. Well, there's not much resistance back up to 484, which is around about here, but we zoom in. So you can see here that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of straight sell-offs. Back here again in the middle of July, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days before we see an increase. I do think we're going to see another couple of days of selling off here. We may touch that 402 mark. I think when you just try and shake everybody out just for this person here to buy back in, you can't really call him a whale because it's only half a Bitcoin, but still $5,000. So yeah, what I done, if we go zoom into the 15 minutes, see the double bottom there at 416. You see obviously there's quite a lot of buying pressure coming in here now, so it shouldn't break 430, but we'll see. 430 is around about there. So what we'll do, we'll put a horizontal line in, just so we can see. Let's have a look. There we go, and we'll change the colour, and then we'll save it. That should be for day 3, and then we can come back to that tomorrow. Then you see, and we'll see if it does break that line. We can see it's overbought. The MACD is crossing over. There's not much volume after these sell-offs, so it could just be someone trying to shake it out to buy it back in. Obviously it is Sunday, we'll see how the trading picks up tomorrow. But yeah, so I sold 1,825. I had to wait longer than what I thought to get the USD. I had to cancel 2 orders to get it slightly higher. I then set a buy order, which allowed me to buy 1,924. So I gained another 99 coins. No, guys, that might not seem a lot to use, but you literally, if you're trading properly, you need to have an emotional detachment to money. You need to see that it's just numbers, and you don't want to chase your losses, which is why I didn't do any trading yesterday. I looked to see if there was any trades, but I'm trying to do these 1 to 3%. I'm trying to do 3% trades, to be honest, today, or 2.5 to 3% trades, and do that so I can obviously compound better. And it just wasn't there for me. I wasn't feeling it, so I trusted me gut, and I come back this morning. I'd done this trade again, and obviously it took all day for me to get another 99 coins. No, the 99 coins at 5 cents. You may just think it's not worth doing. We are only in today, day 3 of this challenge, because we started on the second once Beaxy done the new updates. But 99 times what? 0.05. It's like a $5 trade. It's nothing. But I'm seeing the bigger picture here, guys, and you guys should do it. I'm learning to control my emotions when I'm trading. I'm learning to not chase losses. I'm learning to do these trades consistently every day, because the trades are the volatility in Beaxy is there, and this coin will be huge. This exchange will be huge. I'd see big things for this exchange. So I'm just collecting these coins now, and I'm hoping by the end of the 90 days we have over 50,000, which is what I'm aiming for. And then we're going to lock them up, or we'll put them into PLS. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how it plays up. We're opening 2 ideas from you guys as well. Yeah, so we gained another 99 coins today. I'm not worried about the USD or the Bitcoin price of the coins. I'm just collecting the coins. I think the quickest way to turn $100 into Lambo is obviously by doing these trades. But not only that, when the value of these coins go up, it technically makes me a lot more money, which allows us to buy a Lamborghini with it. Which is the whole point of this challenge anyway. So yeah, quick video, quick catch up of days 2 and 3. We will be bringing you day 4 tomorrow. We're also going to talk a bit more about what's been happening in the DApp space in another video. So we've got 2 videos for you tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm looking to see what happens, to see if we hold this here. We should hold it, but then again, obviously we're overbought on the RSI. there is a wall here. Whether that's real or not remains to be seen. Which is 11 o'clock at night here in the UK, and you can see that the last trade was at 9 o'clock. If we look at the times, there's not much trading going on this coin. If we show you here, not on a Sunday anyway, you can see this is like 7 o'clock through. So obviously someone's been buying bits, but it's not a lot. But yeah, so you can see here we've got some buying pressure coming in now. Hopefully it stays here. Hopefully this is the new bottom, and we can ride it back up to say to 500 satoshis. But we're looking at, we'd probably break through, we'd probably hit that, bounce back a bit. So what we'll be looking to do is hopefully find the bottom here, obviously let it turn, and then what we'll try and do is ride these 1924 the coins up, and if it starts to hit resistance here and turns back down, then we'll look at selling them around this mark, or look at selling around this mark, let it correct itself, and then buy back in for more. But yeah, that's it guys, a bit of an update at the weekend here. We'll start Monday as we mean to go on, hopefully a bit more volume on the exchange, and we'll see if we can break that 2,000 mark tomorrow. But yeah, any questions, feel free. If you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. We do expect constructive criticism. Obviously a few people have been putting thumbs down on the video. It's to be expected. This isn't aimed at advanced traders, it's aimed at beginners. We're all beginners once, people. We're trying to educate the uneducated with the powers of cryptocurrency. It's a family at the end of the day, so try and encourage people. And if you've enjoyed this video, like I say, if you've enjoyed it at all, learned something new, anything whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit that like button. Also comment below, let us know where you're from, let us know your thoughts, any strategies that can help everybody, that can help myself. Like you say, we're open to that. And where you guys have tuned in from, always good to know. And finally, if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications button next to it. That's the little bell button, which will notify you when we publish future videos. But until next time everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye guys.